Hi everybody, this is Jack at J&J Water Sports. Customers a lot of time always ask us what's a stage 1 kit and how to install it on your motor. So today we're going to show you. Stage 1 kit from K&M. Says on the box, outdoor power equipment. The stage 1 kit only takes about 5 minutes to install, and we're going to show you that now. Remove your stage 1 kit from the box, throwaway box, put stage 1 kit on your motor, and there you have it. Stage 1 kit installed on your Boss H-Drive motor. Guaranteed to give you 20 to 30 horsepower gains. Guaranteed to make you pass that 30-mile-an-hour copperhead. And also gives your motor the addition of full power reverse to keep up with those pro drives. Have fun.